In this video, we will quickly go over general searches, filtering your search by specific categories, how to identify segments and similar clips, and how to search by species, specifically common or Latin name. We're going to use the example of whales. You can enter either a plural or a singular. The site will search for either. You'll see here that we have almost 12,000 clips of whales in a variety of different species, which will be listed in the related searches. Here, you will also see that, for example, we have a whale shark. You may not want to include your whale shark footage here, so we can go to the sidebar and use the filter tool. I'm going to enter not shark. This will omit any clips that have the word shark in the metadata. Now, at this time, you might be interested to see related segments for your production, similar clips. We recommend that you use this sort tool called Sort by Clip Code. This will arrange the clips in with similar clips that were submitted by the contributor on the same day, or usually the same reel. So this will bring up similar clips for you to be able to identify segments. Now, you might be working on a production that has a specific requirement regarding 4K footage or above. Again, back to the sidebar tool, we can filter these clips by 4K. And you will now come up with our 4K content of whales, which is close to 3,000 clips that we have online. Again, using this sort by clip code feature will allow you to bring up segments and similar clips. We also have the question as to how to search by species. For example, if you were to search for blue whale footage in our general box, this would bring up all footage that has the word blue or whale in the metadata. You will see that that includes many clips that are not blue whale specific. In this case, we recommend that you go to our new feature, Browse by Species. In the Browse by Species section, you'll be able to access over 6,000 species by either common name or Latin name. Here, under Browse by Species, we will go to the marine mammal section. Click on the whale link. And here you will see a list of all of the whale species that we have online, listed by both common name and by Latin name. And here are the blue whale shots. So we have 245 blue whale video clips, and we can also, again, sort by clip code to bring up similars and segments. Very good. The next video will be on how to save your research in Clipin.